How to use Tailor Brands logo editor. Step 1. Start by going to tailorbrands.com and clicking on Create Logo. Enter your brand name and optional tagline. Then choose your industry to help tailor the design suggestions. Step 2. Tailor Brands will ask you to pick a logo type like icon-based, name-based, or initial-based. You'll also select your preferred font style like classic, modern, handwritten, or bold. These choices guide the AI to match your aesthetic. Step 3. Once the AI generates logo options, choose the one you like best. Then, you'll enter the logo editor. Here you can adjust the font size, style, and spacing. You can change colors using presets or your own palette. Modify layouts, swap icons or reposition elements manually. It all drag and drop and very beginner friendly. Step 4. After customizing, hit preview to see how your logo looks on business cards, website, and merchandise. If you're happy, you can proceed to download. And that's it.